Guys, let's do this problem, and I read the question first. If z equals to square root of 2 plus square root of 3 and x equals to 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 3, find the value of x squared minus x squared, z squared minus x squared all over z squared in the form a plus b square root of c. And so therefore, guys, we now do this question. So guys, now we start doing the question. We'll come here and now find the z squared from this. That is z squared will now be equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 3. You square that plus square root of 3. So guys, when we square that, we shall get square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 4 of 2 gives us 2. Then square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 3. Actually, the next one, guys, is going to be plus. We put 2 there, and then square root of 2, square root of 3. Guys, expand and see, you shall get this. And finally, we shall have plus square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3, that gives us 3. And so therefore, guys, we are going to have 5 plus 2 square root of 2 square root of 3. Guys, now we go to x squared. For x squared, we are going to have, I write the x, that is 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 3. Guys, now we square that. So we shall have to multiply twice, which now, guys, we shall have square root of 2 multiply 2 square root of 2 multiplied by 2 square root of 2. That gives us 4 times 2, because this 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 is 2. So this one gives us 8. And the next one, guys, we are going to have, this is actually going to be minus. Minus is going to be minus 2 square root of, that is 2, again 2 square root of 2 square root of 3. Guys, I've already skipped one step, because what I have done, I multiply that, and then that and that, and added them together, and then the answer will come to this. Then plus, this is going to be square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 is going to be 3. And so therefore, guys, our solution for that is going to be 8 plus 3 is 11. Then here we have 4 minus 4 square root of 2 square root of 3. So guys, with those two values, we can now be able to work out whatever we are asked here. And so guys, we come and write, that is z squared minus x squared all over z squared. So this is now going to give us, for z squared, we have 5 plus 2 root 2 root 3 minus, guys, every time we find a minus, it is always important to put a negative, because remember, a negative causes other signs to change. And so therefore, our x squared is 11 minus 4 square root of 2 square root of 3. That one all over z squared, which is right here, 5 plus 2 square root of 2 square root of 3. Guys, now we evaluate that. So this is now going to give us 5 minus 11. 5 minus 11, that gives us minus 6. Then plus, guys, as you can see, this negative will cause this one to be plus. And if you look at this, guys, this function, that is square root of 2 and square root of 3 is the same here. So guys, it's like having 2x minus, not minus, but plus 4x. That gives us 6x. And now our x is square root of 2, square root of 3. That one all over 5 plus 2 square root of 2 square root of 3. Guys, now this is what we have. We do that, we can now evaluate this by multiplying the denominator and the numerator by the conjugate of the denominator. So this one is 5 minus 2 square root of 2 square root of 3. The same on the numerator, 5 minus 2 square root of 2 square root of 3. So guys, we do that. We shall have, beginning with the numerator, we shall have 6 multiplied, negative 6 multiplied by 5, that gives us negative 3, 0. Then from there we have negative 6 multiplied by that, we shall have negative plus 12. This will give us plus 12. Negative 6 multiplied by negative 2 is plus 12. Then we have root 2, root 3. Plus, again, plus. That is 6 multiplied by 5. That gives us 30. Root 2, root 3. And finally, we multiply now 6 root 2 root 3 multiplied by 2 root 2 root 3. This one now is going to be minus 12. That is 6 multiplied by 2 gives us 12. And the rest are going to be root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2. Root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. So that is now times 6. That is 2 times 3. This one will give us all over. Now guys, we write this. This one gives us the difference of two squares when we now evaluate it. So we shall have 25. This side is going to be 25 minus, this is going now to be, we are going to have 4 times 2, which is 8 times 3, which is 24. And so therefore, guys, our solution then is going to be, coming here on the upper side, we have negative 30 plus, this is now going to be 12 plus 30, which is 42, square root of 2, square root of 3, minus 12 times 6 gives us 60. That is 60. And so therefore, guys, we are going now to have, sorry guys, this is 72. Now all over, this gives us 1. So guys, finally we are going to have negative 30 minus 72 gives us negative 102 plus, guys, here we are going to have 42 square root of 2 square root of 3. Guys, the required answer is supposed to be A plus B square root C. And so guys, we are going to modify that answer to be like that. So our answer then is going to be negative 1 or 2. Now guys, we make sure that this is 42 and you also only have one square root here. This means we multiply 2 times 3, which now gives us square root of 6. So guys, this is our solution. Thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.